Do you wish people would like you more? Are you looking for ways to make a good impression on everyone you meet? You may think you must put on a show to make people like you, but it doesn't have to be that way. It turns out that there are simple psychological tricks you can use to instantly make everyone you meet like you. From being positive to using body language, you can use these techniques to present yourself in the best light and make a good impression on everyone you meet. So don't worry, you don't have to be a social butterfly to make people like you. By the end of this video, you will see 11 simple yet powerful techniques to instantly make everyone you meet like you. If you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Let's start. Number 11. Smile and make eye contact. Smiling and making eye contact are two of the simplest yet most effective ways to make someone you meet instantly like you. Smiling conveys warmth, openness, and friendliness. It tells the other person that you're open to interacting with them. Further, research has shown that when people smile, it triggers a positive emotion in the other person. Making eye contact shows that you are engaged in the conversation and are genuinely interested in the other person. It creates a sense of connection and the feeling that the other person is being seen and heard. Eye contact can also help to build trust, as it conveys honesty and respect. By smiling and making eye contact, you are sending a powerful message. It shows that you are friendly, confident, and paying attention. Number 10. Make them feel important. Everyone wants to feel valued and appreciated. One of the best ways to make someone like you instantly is to make them feel important. Showing genuine admiration and interest in someone is a great way to start. Ask questions and take an interest in their life, experiences, and opinions. Offer genuine compliments and pay attention to the things they say. A simple gesture, such as holding the door open for them or offering a kind word, can go a long way in making someone feel valued. By giving people the attention they deserve, you can instantly make everyone you meet like you. Number 9. Listen intently. Listening intently is a great way to make everyone you meet instantly like you. It shows that you are genuinely interested in what they have to say and that you care about them as a person. Listening intently involves paying attention to what the other person is saying, understanding their point of view, and responding thoughtfully. For example, if someone tells you about their difficult day, instead of just saying, "That's rough," try to ask thoughtful questions about how the person is feeling and how you can help. Showing empathy and understanding will make the other person feel valued and appreciated and go a long way in making them like you. Number 8. Show gratitude and appreciation. Have you ever met someone and felt an instant connection? It's probably because they showed you gratitude and appreciation. Showing gratitude and appreciation is one of the most powerful ways to make everyone you meet instantly like you. For example, when you meet someone new, rather than just shaking hands and giving a generic "nice to meet you," make sure you compliment them on something that stands out. You could say something like, "I really admire your passion for the environment. It's so refreshing to meet someone who cares about the planet." When someone does something nice for you, express your appreciation. If a friend takes the time to listen to you, thank them for being there for you. If a colleague goes out of their way to help you with a project, thank them for their hard work. Even a simple "thank you" goes a long way. By showing gratitude and appreciation, you're not only letting the other person know that you value them, but also creating a positive environment. And when people feel appreciated, they're more likely to respond in kind and make a connection. Number 7. Adopt a positive attitude. Adopting a positive attitude is one of the best ways to make everyone you meet instantly like you. It can be hard to remain positive when things don't go your way, but staying upbeat and optimistic will make you more attractive to those around you. For example, if you're waiting in line and the wait is too long, instead of getting frustrated, you can make the most of it by striking up a conversation with the person next to you. You'll be surprised how quickly people warm up to your positive energy. When you adopt a positive attitude, you make yourself more pleasant to be around and become a beacon of light for those around you. Your positivity will be contagious, and soon everyone you meet will be able to recognize and appreciate it. Number 6. Avoid judgment and criticism. Being judgmental and critical of others is a surefire way to make enemies and alienate people. No one likes to be judged and criticized, and it's important to remember this when interacting with others. An effective way to make everyone you meet instantly like you is to avoid judgment and criticism. Instead of making assumptions or providing unhelpful feedback, Take the time to get to know the person and understand their perspective. For example, if you're out with a friend who shares an opinion that differs from yours, try your best to remain open-minded and listen to their point of view without passing judgment. Number 5. Be authentic. Being authentic is the key to making everyone you meet instantly like you. Our first impression of someone is often based on how sincere and genuine they seem. For instance, don't pretend to be someone you're not. Show people your true self and express your thoughts and opinions openly and honestly. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and own up to them. People will appreciate your openness and authenticity. Take, for example, a job interview. You can practice your answers and rehearse the perfect thing to say, but your interviewer will pick up on it if you come off as inauthentic. Instead, it's best to be honest, even if it means you're not the most qualified candidate. Showing that you're genuine, passionate, and self-aware will make a much better impression than trying to be someone you're not. Authenticity is key to building meaningful relationships with others. People see right through a facade and are drawn to those who are brave enough to be themselves and show vulnerability. Number 4. Be generous. Generosity has the power to make everyone you meet instantly like you. It's one of the most powerful and effective ways to make a lasting impression. Have you ever been on the receiving end of someone's generosity? It feels good, doesn't it? It's always nice when someone takes the time to do something special for us. Here's an example. Recently, I was at a restaurant with a friend, and when it came time to pay the bill, my friend offered to pay for my meal even though it was my turn to pay. It felt great to be on the receiving end of such generosity, and I knew it was a gesture that would be remembered. Generosity doesn't have to be expensive. It could be as simple as helping someone carry their groceries, offering to help a colleague with their workload, or cooking a meal for a friend who's had a hard week. These small acts of kindness can make a big difference in someone's life. Number 3. Speak clearly and confidently. Talking clearly and confidently can be the key to making everyone you meet instantly like you. When you're interacting with someone, speaking clearly and confidently can help create a positive first impression. This is because it communicates that you are knowledgeable, trustworthy, and reliable. For example, imagine you're introducing yourself to someone new. If you speak in a mumble or with a lack of enthusiasm, this could give off the wrong message. Instead, speak up in a clear, confident voice. Make eye contact and smile to show that you're friendly and approachable. This will encourage the other person to feel comfortable around you and create a positive first impression. Number 2. Find common ground. When it comes to making an instant connection, finding common ground is key. It's an easy way to show that you have similar interests and are on the same page. For instance, let's say you just met someone and both of you love reading. You can start a conversation by mentioning a book you recently read and asking what they think of it. This is a great way to start a dialogue and make a friend. Common ground does not have to be limited to hobbies or interests. You can also look for similarities in values, beliefs, and even life experiences. Letting someone know that you understand their struggles or that you have gone through a similar experience can make them feel instantly connected to you. Number 1. Dress to impress. Dressing to impress can be one of the most powerful tools in making a great first impression and gaining the trust of those you meet. Whether it's a job interview, a date, a networking event, or a dinner party, what you wear can send a powerful message about who you are and how you want to be seen. Think about it. When you see someone dressed in a sharp suit, crisp white shirt and tie, you immediately think of a successful businessman or corporate executive. On the other hand, someone in a flowy dress and sandals might give off a more relaxed, beachy vibe. For example, take the case of David. He was a young professional looking for a job in the banking industry. When he applied for his first job, he dressed in a tailored suit, a crisp white shirt, and a tie that matched his navy blue shirt. His interviewer was immediately impressed, and David landed the job. With just a few adjustments to your wardrobe, you can make yourself look more polished and put together and make a great first impression on everyone you meet. The purpose of this video was to provide some insight into the psychology of making people like you. We talked about how important it is to watch your body language, be real, and show interest in someone. We also discussed being open to conversation and having engaging conversations. Remember, being yourself and being kind to everyone you meet is important. Now, leave an honest answer in the comment section below. What is the first thing you notice about a person? We would love to hear from you. Now you need to watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. It will show you how to instantly make anyone respect you. Make sure to watch it now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.